Oh, this cupboard's a mess. I better declutter it. But, thing is, I really love that jumper. I wear it loads. Oh, I'm never sure what to do with that. I quite like it, but it's a bit short, so I kind of never end up wearing it, but I don't really know. I can't decide about that. Oh, this is too hard. I can't get rid of anything. Oh, this cupboard's a mess. I better declutter it. Right, what can I get rid of? Oh, you know what? I never wear that. That can go. What else? Oh, yeah, I don't really wear that either. Right, that can go. That's it, though. It really made any difference.
Welcome back to this series of 7 short videos about the biggest clutter clearing mistakes. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. With my help, you can create a home that, without you even noticing it, acts as the foundation that supports you to achieve whatever you want. Can you guess what mistake number 5 is? I'll give you a clue. It was the same thing in both those scenarios I just acted out. In scenario 1, you look at all your stuff and all you can see is the stuff that's hard to make a decision about. In scenario 2, you look at all your stuff and you only see the stuff that's easy to make a decision about. In both those scenarios, you're cherry picking, skimming over the majority of your stuff and focusing on just a few items. To declutter effectively, you need to be thorough. You have to go through everything, deciding whether or not to keep it and where to store it. And to make sure you do that, you have to be systematic. Go through each thing one at a time. That way you won't miss anything, and you'll probably be surprised how much you can let go. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it means a lot. See you tomorrow for mistake number 6.